Tired of queues and phone calls? This guide will show you how to quickly and securely access your Nationwide Building Society online banking for easy account management. First, open your web browser and go to the official Nationwide website. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click this button. You will now be on the login page here. Enter your username in the designated field. Be sure to enter the exact username provided when you signed up for online banking. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your login details, click the Forgotten Your Details link. You will be guided through the steps to reset them, which typically involves providing personal information to verify your identity. Nationwide employs multiple security measures. You may be prompted for a second factor of authentication, such as a code sent to your registered mobile phone via SMS or generated by an authenticator app. Enter this code when prompted. Once you've successfully entered your credentials and completed any multi-factor authentication, you'll be logged in. You'll now be able to view your account balances, make transfers, and manage your account settings. Always remember to log out when you're finished. Having trouble logging in? Double-check your username and password for any typos. Ensure your caps lock is off and that you have a stable internet connection. If problems persist, contact Nationwide customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay safe online.